rubbing on his leg?
Not cold?
Not cold? He might be a little cold.
Name
Are you cold, Alice? You want me to keep a blankie on? You share your blankie with him? Oh, not over his face. And then he can't breathe. Did he just beep on you? Did he just beep?
Mm-hmm.
It's because Mommy had beans, so now he has beeps.
Beeps.
Little loves. Remember, don't touch eyes, okay? What parts can you touch?
Hat.
Head. Gently, don't push. Don't push, don't push. That's right. You can touch his little ears. Yeah. And you can touch his cheeks. And his arms and his legs. Most of his parts. Oops, don't touch your boo-boo, Atlas. It's got to get better and it's going to come out. Good job, buddy. Here, we'll cover it up so he doesn't think about it. Don't touch it. Keep your hands up, little Atlas. There you go. Don't touch your umbilical. You need that to turn into your belly button, right?
No touch it. No touch it. No touch it.
Good job, big sister. You protect him.
Mm-hmm. Good boo-boo. See it?
I do see. His little umbilical cord.
No touch it.
Are you going to keep him in line? Make him be obedient?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Peanut baby Alice.
Oh, no poking, okay?
Peanut baby Alice.
That's right.
That's boo-boo.